The sports cell of the Central Executive Committee of the HYNNIEWTREP Youth Council had met on 13th April 2022 members of the Meghalaya Table Tennis Association on complaints received by the organization on the discontinuation of local coaches as trainers at the TIROT Indoor Stadium, LACHUMIERE in Shillong. Members of the HYC expressed their disappointment at the induction of one CHIRANJIB CHOUDHARY as secretary of the association when he had already submitted his resignation as secretary of the Meghalaya State Olympics Association on personal grounds. The HYC, through the Sports Secretary, Central Executive Committee, Frankie Karumnoy, has demanded the recruitment of local coaches into the Meghalaya Table Tennis Association so as to enable promotion of talented sports persons and to also build better rapport between them and the trainees.
Indoor Stadium, Komisi Mtta ban yakren di kampanye nangka Meghalaya Table Tennis Association hakabaidai babun kurum penam bagi association katung bagi jual ni niki bahayeng niki kena penjuru niki coach te kenyawan ni hanya sini lomba banyak keren ba kecil sawen kecil salendet ni ba bansan ibadai coach di certified coach ba sawen na nika association na kita bagi ketentuan bagi warak paman jalan ba dewi hari membiang itu sedikit dulu di nidap terkejut semua ba benda ni ke asian kan le ni bagi dan angut ki coach ni kejela tai ba pansan bagi ba literally baman kibla biang mana jing hikai but abadi ka jing kai ko semua ngok samta kalau pa dan yang ko sen ko anda mak ko jela bom biang setia ta dia ko certificate but hari ko do apa tadi ko jing kai ibu ki kita jela gitu na palan ibun teman ko jela but hari ko bahan yang sen tidak dulu kena gekam kita jelas sudah kibabat di bekam pahe hani kusen ba itu sudah di ba agenda ir nak siban ba mentrekam timbang ban kami aku pun senam teba penyak ni kam mentah kita lainut kita CHIRANJIB CHOUDHARY santai baribat secretary anta santunu cyber entah ini di nakal yang di terjelah hibat tiba-tiba berit di hari ini kita punya joki iba kami ada jadi kita kurang sudah bersama tu baunis secretary CHIRANJIB CHOUDHARY mesabat labateng tu kam secretary yang kami kena Olympic Association hang tu ada ketua ni ki kinhun ki balik bandawa bang yu nak kalian yu lam kubur ban bang na ban pit ikam yang ham sama jong bagabas ngulingo isu kolong ba kai bu kren kalau pela pelong man sampai ban sahani kota Meghalaya Table Tennis Association ti nak kalian kaseng hi ngirawa madoi ni asian du bang bang na lekia ku kini ki brio nakani ka asian ban thung na ki brio jangan dikelah, kenapa ngapi hidup ki bun ki nani jelah ki balak batin jai kam.